Local news for Friday the 15th of May. Students studying with UCOL have more on-campus activity starting from Monday, while continuing to do their online studies from home where possible. Dr. Jerry Sherman, UCOL Executive Director, Education and Applied Research, says outside of practical activities that must be held on campus, they are planning for staff to continue to work from home wherever reasonable, practical and safe to do so. The Public Relations Institute of New Zealand announced 25 finalists in the 2020 Annual Industry Awards following judging, and Masterton District Council's campaign, Vote 2019, Motivating Reluctant Voters, run by Shana Vatsilius, is one of the finalists. Queues outside banks, barbers and plenty out shopping. That's what greeted those who went out yesterday locally as Day 1 of Alert Level 2 took place. Movies have resumed at the likes of the Screening Room, and Circus cinemas and restaurants were open to diners, while social distancing restrictions are in place. And finally, Netball New Zealand has advised the cancellation of the Lower North Island Secondary School Netball Championships. They will now be held next year in Hawke's Bay from the 30th of August. Kia ora. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.